Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this anime swipe or comic swipe filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so maybe you will be seeing trending here in place of hot. I'm using TikTok Vietnam, so my layout is like this. Maybe your layout will be little different. Doesn't matter, it's a trending filter, so check in your trending section or hot, swipe up and remember this image. You need this effect. This is the comic swipe or enemy swipe filter. Tap on it and you are done. Now you can swipe on the screen to apply this effect likewise. Okay, and if you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for comic swipe and you will be seeing all this video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want. Now at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there and from there also you can use this effect, and that's it. And still if you are not getting this effect, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, so what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the effect icon. If you have to just tap on this effect icon and open it with TikTok, and you will be again redirected to the effect page. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see this record button. Tap there and that's it, you got the effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this comic swipe or enemy swipe filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.